In this system, waste panels go through a series of precise processing steps to extract valuable materials like copper, glass, silicon powder, and more. First, the panels are broken down by the shredder and crusher, reducing their size and preparing them for separation. Next, the material passes through a magnetic separator, which removes any ferromagnetic metals. Then, an eddy current separator takes over, efficiently extracting non-ferrous metals. The remaining mixture is further reduced in size using a crusher and grinder, breaking down materials into fine particles. After that, we use an airflow separator to classify materials based on density, and a circular vibrating screen to separate them. This recycling line is designed for high throughput, low waste, and maximum material recovery, helping you turn panel waste into valuable resources.